Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. First, back up photos, contacts, and app data to Google or copy files to your laptop. This prevents permanent loss. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the laptop can communicate with the phone. Make sure the battery is at least 50%. Finally, install the phone's OEM USB drivers and ADB tools or Android file transfer on your laptop, so the reset tools can run without. Now you'll execute the reset using ADB or recovery mode. Connect the phone by USB and accept the RSA prompt so the laptop is authorized. Open a terminal and run a DB reboot recovery to enter recovery, or use fastboot to boot the bootloader if ADB won't connect. Once in recovery, use the volume and power keys to select wipe data/factory reset. This clears user partitions. You're doing this to remove accounts and corrupted settings that prevent normal operation. Finish by selecting Reboot System Now and let the phone complete first boot. It can take several minutes while apps optimize. If the device becomes stuck in a boot loop, make sure you tried Recovery Wipe. Next step is to reflash stock firmware using the OEM flashing tool or sideload an update. Zip via ADB. If factory reset protection prompts for the previous Google account, sign in with that account or contact the device manufacturer. This prevents unauthorized resets and secures data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.